Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Snapchat. Sign in on any device step by step clearly. First, make sure your phone or computer is connected to a stable internet connection. If you are using a phone or tablet, open the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Snapchat. Tap Install or Get. Then wait for the app to finish downloading and installing. If you are on a computer, open a web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. Go to the official Snapchat website and look for the Snapchat web login option. Now open Snapchat on your device by tapping the Snapchat icon or opening Snapchat web in the browser. On the welcome screen, select Login instead of Sign Up. In the username or email field, type the exact username or email linked to your Snapchat account. In the password field, type your password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you want the device to remember you, enable any Remember Me option only on a personal device. Tap Login or Sign In to continue. If Snapchat asks for a verification code, choose whether you want to receive it by SMS or email. Open your text messages or email inbox and find the Snapchat verification code. Enter the code on the Snapchat verification screen exactly as shown. If you see a security prompt about a new device, approve the login and follow the on-screen instructions. If your account has two-factor authentication enabled, complete the 2FA step using your Authenticator app or backup code. If you forgot your password, tap Forgot Your Password and choose phone or email to reset it. Create a new strong password, then return to the login screen and sign in with the new password. If Snapchat says your username or password is incorrect, retype both slowly and try again. If you still cannot log in, check that your device date and time are set to automatic. Close Snapchat completely and reopen it to refresh the login session. If you are using Snapchat Web, clear the browser cache or try an incognito or private window. Make sure you are not using a VPN or proxy that could block Snapchat login. If your account is locked, follow the unlock instructions from Snapchat support and wait the required time. After a successful login, allow required permissions like camera, microphone, and notifications if you want full features. Check that your profile loads, your friends list appears, and the camera opens normally. On shared devices, log out when finished by going to Settings and selecting Log Out. For extra safety, review your connected devices and login activity in Snapchat settings if available. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.